Hello Creative Gems, welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make over 3 household containers, an empty Lysol container, an empty Pringles container, and an empty honey jar. All 3 containers will be transformed into beautiful glam table decor. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite craft tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials as well as similar containers to the ones I'm using today can be found at either Dollar Tree or Dollarama, unless otherwise stated. First, we will need a clean, empty Lysol container, a Pringles container, and a Billy Bee container. For embellishments, we will need some glitter contact paper, some silver ribbon, a string of silver beaded necklace, a couple of small silver Christmas ball ornaments, 1 silver napkin ring, some gem stickers, a few silver plastic picks, some silver glitter, and some silver and/or gold metallic paint. As per most of my DIY projects, we will also need some white glue and some hot glue. My glue gun was purchased from Amazon. For the first project, we will be glamming up an empty Lysol container. We start by measuring out the glitter contact paper. Once the Lysol container is covered with the glitter contact paper, measure out the silver ribbon to line the bottom edge of the container. Use hot glue to affix the ribbon to the container. Then apply a row of gem stickers vertically along the Lysol container. For this process, I ended up using 3 rows of gem stickers spaced out evenly around the container. For the lid, we will use some glue to adhere glitter ribbon around the outside of the lid. Then we use some hot glue to adhere one of the small Christmas ball ornaments to the top center of the lid. And there you have it. The empty Lysol container is now transformed into a Glam container. I have decided to place all my empty plastic bags into this container and will be placing it on my kitchen countertop for easy and convenient access. For our second project, we will again use the glitter contact paper to cover the outside of the empty Pringles container. Then we use some glue to line the top and bottom of the container with some glitter ribbon. Next, we use some hot glue to adhere some silver plastic picks vertically along the container. To embellish the top cover, we will use some hot glue and place our second silver Christmas ball ornament to the center. Here I have chosen to cut off the ridge part of the ball so it can lay flat against the lid. Then we apply a small string of silver beaded necklace around the ball for extra embellishment. For this process, I use hot glue. And there you have it. Our empty Pringles container is also transformed. For this container, I will be placing my chopsticks inside and placing that on my kitchen counter alongside the Glam Lysol container. For our third and final project of the day, we will be using a custom mixture of silver and gold metallic paint with a shot of silver glitter to paint the outside of the honey container. You will notice that because I put some glitter into the paint mixture, there is some texture to the paint. Once the paint is fully dry, use some hot glue to affix the silver napkin holder to the top. Then glue a small string of silver beaded necklace around the bottom of the silver napkin holder. Next, use some hot glue to adhere some silver plastic picks vertically around the container, spacing them out evenly. And there you have it. Our Billy Bee honey container is now also transformed into a Glam vase. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY Glam project. I hope to see you all soon.